On February 17, 1998, Voyager 1 reached a distance of 4 billion miles from the Sun and overtook Pioneer 10 as the most distant spacecraft from Earth. Traveling at about 11 miles per second, it has the fastest heliocentric recession speed of any spacecraft. As Voyager 1 headed for interstellar space, its instruments continued to study the solar system. Jet Propulsion Laboratory scientists used the plasma wave experiments aboard Voyager 1 and 2 to look for the heliopause, the boundary at which the solar wind transitions into the interstellar medium. As of 2013, the probe was moving with a relative velocity to the Sun of about 38,000 miles per hour. With the velocity the probe is currently maintaining, Voyager 1 is traveling about 325 million miles per year, or about 1 light-year per 18,000 years. Scientists believe that Voyager 1 entered the termination shock in February 2003. This marks the point where the solar wind slows to subsonic speeds. Some other scientists expressed doubt. The issue would not be resolved until other data became available, since Voyager 1's solar wind detector ceased functioning in 1990. This failure meant that termination shock detection would have to be inferred from the data from the other instruments on board. In May 2005, a NASA press release said that the consensus was that Voyager 1 was then in the Helios heap. This event is estimated to have occurred on December 15, 2004, at a distance of 8,700 million miles from the Sun. It is suspected that solar wind at this distance turns sideways because of interstellar wind pushing against the heliosphere. Since June 2010, detection of solar wind had been consistently at zero, providing conclusive evidence of the event. Voyager 1 was commanded to change its orientation to measure the sideways motion of the solar wind at that location in space in March 2011.